Running around all day and still want a cracking dinner? Same here. This HelloFresh cassoulet hits that sweet spot. It's warm, really tasty, and done in under 20 minutes. Hi, I'm Judith, chef and cookbook author. As someone who works with food all day, I'm all about fresh, comforting recipes that are doable even on really busy days. Today, I'd like to show you a really simple one-pot sausage and mushroom cassoulet that delivers big flavor with minimal effort. For this recipe, you will need pork and oregano sausage meat, mushrooms, butter beans, red wine stock paste, rosemary, tomato passata, sun-dried tomato paste, some spinach, hard Italian-style cheese, and some ciabatta. With HelloFresh, all of these ingredients come pre-measured in the box, so you can go straight to cooking. Let's start. First, I'm going to heat a pan with a little bit of olive oil. In goes the sausage meat. I'm just breaking these up a little bit so they can cook more evenly. And now I'll add the mushrooms. You'll know this is ready when the sausage meat starts to brown, the mushrooms are getting soft, and your kitchen starts to smell great. Right, let's build the flavor with red wine stock paste, sun-dried tomato paste, and fresh rosemary. Now I'll add the tomato passata and our butter beans, as well as some water to make it saucy. In HelloFresh, the balance and seasoning is already spot on thanks to the right amount of ingredients. But if you're cooking from scratch, just make sure to add enough stock to keep everything really hearty and saucy along the way. To balance the acidity of the tomato, it really helps to add just a little bit of sugar. Once it's bubbling, I will drop the heat and let it simmer just to allow the sauce to thicken slightly. In the meantime, I will cut the ciabatta in half and toast it in the toaster until it's golden. Back to the pan, I'm adding the spinach and just letting it wilt down. Just fold it in and then you can turn off the heat. Time to serve! Let's garnish our dish with a little bit of cheese and then serve some ciabatta for scooping. So this is your one-pot cassoulet, tasty, tidy, and done in no time. A lot of people ask about swapping the beans or adding different vegetables, and you definitely can. Just make sure that you stay away from too strong flavored beans like black beans or kidney beans because they tend to overpower the other ingredients that we're using for this dish. Vegetable-wise, you could, for example, use carrots or cherry tomatoes, green peas. They would all work really wonderfully in this dish. If you do use any other vegetables in this recipe, do let us know in the comment section below. I would love to know how you did it.